My name is Nihal. I have joined the online IELTS training program offered by Cosmo Center. After completing my 1-month program, I really feel like I have made a good preparation for my IELTS test. I had a personal tutor whose name was Arlene Thomas. She really helped me to improve my writing and speaking abilities. Her feedbacks were really valuable. The group classes offered by Cosmo Center were also really good. All the faculties who taught in the group class were really helpful and interactive. I have a small suggestion regarding the group class. It would be better if the students are able to record their voice and send it for correction in the speaking sessions. So overall, the experience that I got from Cosmo was really good. Thank you.